Hey everyone! Today we are looking at something crazy, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI supercomputer. Right now, the tech world is obsessed with moving AI away from expensive cloud subscriptions and bringing it directly to your desk. If you want to run massive, private open-source models without handing your data over to big tech companies, you used to need a massive, loud PC rig with multiple graphics cards. ASUS claims this quiet, compact box changes all of that by putting enterprise-grade AI power right next to your keyboard. You can check the current price by following the links provided in the description of the video. Let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. Under the hood, this machine is built entirely around NVIDIA's new DGX Spark platform, powered by the GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip. But the real showstopper here is the 128 GB of LPDDR5X unified memory. In a regular PC, even a top-of-the-line consumer graphics card tops out at 24 GB of video memory, which severely limits the size of AI models you can load. Because the GX10 uses a massive pool of shared memory, it can comfortably run frontier AI models with up to 200 billion parameters completely locally. ASUS also built this from scratch, with custom industrial-grade components certified to military durability standards. Plus, it has a stackable design. Thanks to ultra-fast built-in networking, you can physically link two of these units together down the road to double your memory pool to 256 GB without throwing your original investment away. So, how does it actually perform? When it comes to handling private data and running continuous autonomous AI frameworks like OpenClaw or NemoClaw, the performance is incredibly reliable. Where ASUS really shines over the standard NVIDIA reference models is the cooling. They designed a custom dual-fan and vapor chamber setup that keeps the machine whisper quiet, even under heavy loads. Just keep in mind that running constant local AI tasks generates a lot of physical heat. The cooling system does an amazing job keeping the chip safe from slowing down, but it will vent warm air like a small space heater, so you'll want to keep it in a well-ventilated space. Now for some honest expectations. This runs on a specialized NVIDIA Ubuntu operating system. Because this architecture is so cutting-edge, you can expect frequent system updates. Setting it up is smooth, and you can easily run it completely headless without a monitor, but you should definitely be prepared for a technical learning curve. This is an architecture built purely for AI workloads. It is not a consumer gaming rig, and it won't outpace traditional graphics cards at standard desktop tasks. At the end of the day, the ASUS Ascent GX10 is a phenomenal piece of hardware engineering, but it's built for a very specific crowd. If you are an AI developer, a researcher, or a small business like a medical clinic or legal office that absolutely requires your data to stay 100% private and in-house, this machine is an absolute game changer. It gives you massive NVIDIA memory architecture right out of the box without cloud fees. However, if you're a casual hobbyist looking for a plug-and-play consumer experience like a Mac Studio, the technical upkeep might be overkill for your workflow. What do you think? Is local AI hardware the future, or are you staying in the cloud? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.